Hello, good morning. Today we are going to look at the syntax for creating a table. So in database, if you want to create a table, this is the syntax. So you type the word create table, then you write the table name. So for this example, the name of our table is student. After that, then you bring your open bracket, then you start typing the field names. So the first field name is ID. Then you type the data type. So ID, the data type is int. Then the constraint is a primary key. So it should not be null. The next field is first name. The data type is varchar, which is should it should be 30 characters, and the constraint is not null. The next field is last name, data type varchar, constraint is not null. The next one is middle name, the data type is varchar, and here there's no constraint because not everyone has a middle name. Then the last field is email address. The data type is also varchar, and there's no constraint so that those without email can leave this field blank. So if you look at this syntax carefully, you could see that the first field, so when you start typing, after the column name, then the data type and the constraint, you bring your comma, the next one to comma, the next one comma, the next one comma, then the last field, that you type, you will not bring a comma, then you close the open bracket that you open. So this is the open bracket, then you close it with a closing bracket, then you terminate. When you are done, then you look for the execute button here, then you click on it. So if you want to see that whether the table has been created, this table called student, so you click on the database structure. Okay, let me check. So let's click on it. Then let's go to database structure. Okay, so you see that the table is the student, so you can click on it. Then you click on browse data, so you select the table student, then you click on browse data. Then you see that the field names ID, first name, last name, middle name, and email address have been created. So this is how you create a table. So first we said that you type the word create, then table, then the name of the table. So for this example, the name of the table is student. Then you type the field name. So you have the student table will have ID, first name, last name, middle name, and email addresses. So after typing the field names, make sure you type the right data type. So for the ID, the data type is integer. First name, the data type is varchar. Last name, the data type is varchar. Then you type the constraint. So the ID, the constraint it is the primary key of the table. Because of that, too, we are making it not null. Then first name to not null. What this means is that you cannot leave this third names blank. So ID it cannot be blank. First name cannot be blank. Last name too cannot be blank. But middle name can be blank if the person is not having a middle name. He or she can leave that place blank. Then email address too. If the user is not having email address, you can leave this space blank. So we are saying that after typing this, then you click on this button. If you want to see whether your table has been created, then you click on database structure. Then you see the table that you have created. So you can select it. Then you click on browse data so that you see the column names or the attributes. Thank you.